So some really good news about DaVinci Resolve is that it has the ability to do automatic backups for your projects. And this has saved me more times than I care to remember. So you need to double check that, of course, it is actually enabled. And I do believe it is actually enabled by default. Now go to DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences, and then make sure you are in the user settings, not the system settings, but the user tab here. And they have project save and load. And there's a section save settings where we have these options, project backups and timeline backups. So make sure the project backups is actually ticked and enabled. And then you can configure how often it does the backups. And I've got it set to 10 minutes and then hourly and daily backups. And then you can choose the location of the backups. Okay, now if you do want to restore a project, and let's say for example, and I wanted to restore this project here, you need to right click on the actual project inside this startup project manager. Now this is not very intuitive and it took me a long time to actually find this. So right click on it and then you can go to project backups. It's kind of hidden away here. Click on that and you get a list of the actual backups. Now this is actually obviously in most recent first. So you can see that it's actually doing a backup every 10 minutes, 1:23, 1:13, 1:03. Yes, I do work quite late at night. And if you want to restore it, then you can just, for example, if you want to go back to, say, this version here, and then you can just click load. And what that does, it then creates another copy of the existing project name, as you can see here. So you can, this is the sort of version of the backup. You can then click OK, and then you can just close this window. And you have a copy of your existing project at that point in time. So it's kind of like a time machine. And then it's just a case of just opening up the project in the normal way. And of course you can just save as a different name and you're pretty much good to go. So as I said, this is an incredibly useful feature for DaVinci Resolve, but kind of hidden away. Hope this is video useful. And of course if it is, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Take care and see you soon.